Improvement in food resources. When we talk about food, what food supplies? Proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals. And these are required for body's development, growth, and for good health. Right. We know there are different crops which require different climatic conditions also. Which type of climatic conditions? These require different temperature, different photo periods. Then photo periods are basically the duration of sunlight. For how long these crops require sunlight. Okay, and growth of plants, flowering, these also are dependent on sunlight. Then we say that whenever we are talking about successful crop production, successful crop production is basically depending on various factors, which includes, first of all, we need to understand how the crops grow and develop. Okay. Secondly, we need to know what all nutrients and other products, whatever are supplied, how these going to affect the crop, the growth of the plant. And third, we need to understand that what are the modifications and what are the management practices which are required to increase the yield in a crop field. Clear? Now there are two types of crops. Basically we talk about the seasons. Where do they grow? Crops which are grown in rainy season, they are known as Kharif. Alright. And rainy season crops are known as Kharif crops. These are growing from June to October. Alright. The season in which they grow are June to October. अब इसको learn कैसे करें? Let's take out the first initial. Kharif. The growth period is from June to October. याद रखो Karan Johar. Alright. This could be the easiest way to learn it. Karan Johar. Alright. So examples are, I'll write it down. याद रहेगा. करण जौहर से आपको याद रहेगा रेनी सीजन क्रॉप. एग्जाम्पल पैडी, सोयाबीन, pigeon pea, maize, cotton, green grain, black grain, etc. And you need to learn 2-3 examples. He's a famous personality, you cannot miss the name Karan Johar, so you will easily remember Kharif crops. Then the crops which are grown in winter. Winter season. And this is basically the Rabi seasons, and crops growing here are known as Rabi crops. Growing from November to April. The other one can be easily remembered. RNA. Rabi, November, April. RNA. What is RNA? It's a nucleic acid. DNA, RNA. So we need to remember it like this. RNA. Okay. So easy. Easy to remember. Here examples are wheat grain, pea, mustard and linseed. These are the Rabi crops. Alright, moving further to the variety improvements that we need to discuss here. We say There are crop variety improvements that we introduce. What is that crop variety improvement? It can be done by hybridization. Are we aware of hybridization? It is a crossing process which is basically taken up between genetically dissimilar plants. Why dissimilar? If these are similar, then what is the need? We are crossing just to improve the variety, maybe the variety, then we take inter-varietal, means between different varieties, then interspecific, between different species, varieties or species of the same genus, or intergeneric, that means different genera. All right, these three ways we can do hybridization. Then number 2, by introducing a gene, उनको हम बोलते हैं GMOs, genetically modified crops, where we introduce a desired characteristic with the help of a gene. All right. Then moving to the cultivation practices. Cultivation practices and crop yields, these are related to actually the weather conditions, soil quality, and availability of water. Weather conditions like drought, flood, these are unpredictable. And when we need to grow varieties which can be grown in diverse climatic conditions, these are only useful, and for them we need to train such varieties. Like अब जैसे हमारी फौज को ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, वैसे ही इनफैक्ट इनको भी ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है इन क्रॉप फील्ड्स को. अब इनको ट्रेनिंग कैसे मिलती है? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ implements are done to improve the variety, and basically we have to increase the yield. So we say higher yield. We want first of all higher yield, and for that we need to improve the quality, and that can be done by using variety of seeds, by using the resistant factors, by changing the maturity duration, by making it adaptable everywhere. So these are certain characteristics we do. First of all, the factors which will improve the variety are higher yield per acre. Number 2, improved quality.